TRENDY 3-stream spoiler installation tutorial. To install the spoiler, remove the plugs covering the 4 holes where the spoiler will be anchored. Align the 2 central protrusions of the spoiler with the 2 central holes of the helmet. Press the spoiler until it is installed in the central area. Then secure it on both sides of the helmet by pressing to insert the side protrusions of the spoiler into the helmet. The spoiler is now installed on the helmet.